Today is part 2 in our immune series. We're just kind of doing a revisit to the immune system. So I got the white blood cells up here. Part 1 was about the immune alliance, and the next video is going to be what nutrients are going to help this thing work properly, because it's all run by nutrition. So white blood cells, we have neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils, monocytes, lymphocytes. So each one do a different thing. So if they're high, neutrophils, that would be a bacterial infection. Lymphocytes, you think viral. Eosinophils are high, that's probably allergies. Basophils are high, that's inflammation. And monocytes are high, that's infection. So if they're high, we know different things. Now, if you see these 3 high on your blood work, that is probably probable parasites. So that's another thing that is going to affect this system. So let's look at this. We're going to look at the lymphocytes and how they work. So let's say here's the virus. Put some spikes in him like this. That's the virus, and it invades the body. Here's what happens. First, this monocyte comes and it's going to grab this virus. And so it's going to grab it and kind of, just a silly demonstration on this, but it just hugs it. It's kind of lazy. Monocytes are lazy. They're real big. And so when I look on them, they take a patient's blood, 1 drop of blood, put it on a live microscope looking at it. Monocytes are the big guys. So the monocytes, just big guys, grab it and they just hold on and wait. So then to come to help, they call in these guys, the B cells and the T helper cells. And those cells come in and they're going to come right into here. They're going to work with this monocyte. They're all going to come in here and they're going to hold on to it and kind of club this virus and get it under control. But they can't beat the virus up. We need somebody to beat the virus up and destroy the virus. So what we do is these guys come in, which are cytotoxic T and natural killer cells. So listen to the name, natural killer cells and cytotoxic T cells. It sounds like, yeah, those guys are bad guys, and they are. They're like ninja warriors. So they come in on this virus here, and they're going to come in, and they're going to just destroy the virus. But here's the problem with this natural killer cell and cytotoxic T cells. They can get out of control, and we don't want collateral damage. We don't want everything, other things destroyed. So that's why, the great creation of the immune system knows that the T regulatory cells, these are the last 2, those guys come in, and what they're going to do is get up in here, and they're going to say, natural killer cells, cytotoxic T cells, you're doing a great job, but you're getting too crazy on this thing. So we're going to regulate you and suppress you so everything's in balance, and so this virus is killed. All this works on the proper nutrition, which we're going to do in the next video. That's how the white blood cells, just in brief, work. And they destroy the antigen. Now, when these guys get kind of crazy to let them go, we could be talking about autoimmune disease, which I'll do in a different video. But next video, it's going to be, I'm going to leave this up right here, and we're going to talk about nutrition and how nutrition makes this immune system stronger. So when a virus comes in, bacterial infection comes in, it can defeat it by the power of this immune system, the power of nutrition that runs it. So, okay, until next time, make it a great day.